Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Sony with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, but if you haven't it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And now open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. Next, to enter pairing mode manually, you should press and hold both of these touch areas for at least 7 seconds until you will hear Bluetooth pairing. So I'm just put it to my ear and press and hold these touch areas. So here we go. And now we should see it at the device list and we can see it, so just click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!